when the river flooded, the stormwater couldn't get to the river. So last year, we hired Red Zone, a contractor, to basically to televise this line from this point all the way to Colson-Palmer. And they did. And we found that this line is full of dirt and water. Now, we're doing this just to gain more capacity for this pipe. So the city hired a consultant, ASI. At this moment, they are creating and developing plans and specification so that we're gonna create pump and build a wall.
So what we're going to be doing with the city is we're developing plans and specifications to isolate this outfall from the river, and also build pumps that will help dewater the outfall during storm events and also after storm events. After storm events, because it allows the city to be able to get in and inspect and clean the outfall, and it also prevents sediment from settling out over time in the outfall. This is a 12-foot diameter pipe that's 2 miles long, and that's about 7 million
7
gallons.
million gallon, yes.
And right now, with the water and sediment in the pipe, we have about 3.5 million. So this is going to free up capacity for storage for the storm system, as well as during a storm event, these dewatering pumps will help push that water out to the river if the river level is too high.